Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best smoke machine is probably one of the most essential tools for any automotive technician, allowing for quick and accurate detection of leaks in various vehicle systems. From EVAP systems to vacuum lines and beyond, these machines use a generated smoke to pinpoint the source of leaks that can cause performance issues or even safety hazards. In this video, we'll dive into the top smoke machines available. Number 5. AutoLine Pro EVAP Smoke Machine, Shop Series. This is a high-performance smoke machine, built to last. It's made in the USA with a solid metal construction, ensuring durability for years to come. Equipped with a ceramic smoke coil and top-rated smoke fluid, it outputs a lot of smoke. This allows it to detect even the smallest leaks. This machine is 100% safe for all vehicles. It is engineered to be safe for all systems and sensors. It's easy to use, just fill it with the included smoke fluid, connect to your air supply, and start your diagnostics. Any size and type of air compressor will work. The package includes OEM-approved smoke fluid, providing a high smoke output. You'll have plenty of fluid to get the job done. Other brands don't always include fluid. It provides 1.5 hours of continuous smoke for testing EVAP systems, vacuum leaks, and more. The tapered nozzle fits various hoses and lines. You're covered by a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. The company is based in the United States and will replace your unit or parts quickly and easily. What we like. This smoke machine is proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and durability. It generates a high volume of smoke, making it easy to spot even the smallest leaks. Moreover, it comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who values reliability and long-term support, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This smoke tester works great and puts out a nice thick smoke. Super easy setup and designed well. The smoke machine was exactly as advertised. It is well made from quality materials and includes additional parts that may be needed, fuse, nut. Instructions were very easy to follow. Everything worked perfectly and I was able to identify air leaks. Number 4. AUTOOL SDT101 Automotive Smoke Leak Detector. Is your car experiencing issues like rough idling or poor fuel economy? These problems could be caused by leaks in your vehicle's systems. This device helps you pinpoint those leaks quickly and easily. Vacuum hose ruptures, blockages, or air leaks can all lead to performance issues. This tool helps you identify the source of these problems, allowing for efficient repairs and preventing further damage. Simply connect to your shop air supply and 12V power. After a short warm-up, insert the cone head into the air inlet. Within minutes, you'll be able to see where the leaks are, using a flashlight to help. This smoke detector can test various systems, including EVAP, intake, cooling, and exhaust systems. It's suitable for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and more, making it a versatile tool for any mechanic. For vehicles with EVAP service ports, this device provides a direct method for leak detection. It allows you to introduce smoke into the system, making it easy to find any leaks. The AUTOOL SDT101 produces thick, easily visible smoke to detect even the smallest leaks. It's safe to use, and the smoke is harmless. The device also features an automatic shut-off for added safety. This product comes with a 3-year warranty and lifetime maintenance. The manufacturer is committed to providing excellent customer service and support for any issues you may encounter. What we like. This automotive smoke machine offers a wide testing range, covering various systems in your vehicle. It's designed with safety in mind, ensuring a reliable operation without the need to start the vehicle. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, providing you with excellent after-sales service. If you're looking for a versatile and safe solution with great support, this is the one for you. What people say. It connects with clamps to your positive and negative battery cable, so it's totally portable to use outside if you're not able to work on your car at home. Smoke testing is the way to go. Faster and easier. Comes with an assortment of accessories for just about any application. Uses only a tiny amount of mineral oil, so one bottle will last you a long time. No smell or fumes from the smoke this unit produces. Safe to use indoors. Well built. Love the pressure scale and easy toggle switch. Not noisy either, runs quiet. Number 3. AUTOOL 12V Automotive Smoke Leakage Detector. Have you noticed issues like a rough idle, poor starting, or increased fuel consumption? These problems could be caused by leaks in your car's system. This tool helps you pinpoint those hidden issues. Vacuum hose ruptures, blockages, and air leaks can all lead to engine problems. This device helps you find the source of these issues quickly. It helps you save money and time. This smoke detector can test various systems, including EVAP, intake, cooling, and exhaust systems. It's suitable for cars, motorcycles, and more. It is a versatile tool for many vehicles. No need for extra equipment. This product has a built-in air pump, saving you time and money. It's designed with quality materials for reliable performance. For American cars from 1996 onwards, use the EVAP service port. Simply connect the adapter and introduce smoke to find leaks. This is a simple process. Fill the pipes with smoke, wait a couple of minutes, and use a light to find the leaks. This method is very efficient and helps you quickly diagnose problems. It makes the process easier. What we like. This smoke machine has a built-in air pump, eliminating the need for extra equipment. It covers a wide range of testing applications, making it versatile for various vehicles. The design ensures efficient and stable performance. If you want a convenient and comprehensive solution that saves you time and money, you should consider this one. What people say. The machine is well built and appears to be of good quality. The smoke machine is easy to use and produces a good amount of smoke. It quickly identified the leak in the EVAP system. Number 2. AutoLine Pro Smoke Machine Leak Detector. This is the AutoLine Pro, a premium smoke machine built for durability. It's made in the USA with solid metal construction and a ceramic smoke coil. This ensures it will last a lifetime. The AutoLine Pro can diagnose leaks in EVAP systems, vacuum lines, and more. It comes with adapters to fit various hoses and lines. This allows it to find leaks in almost any system. This machine is 100% safe for all vehicles. It produces a thick smoke output to detect even the smallest leaks. You can use it with confidence on any car. The AutoLine Pro includes OEM-approved smoke fluid. This high-output formula is safe for all systems and sensors. You'll have plenty of fluid to get the job done. Using the AutoLine Pro is easy. Just fill it with the included smoke fluid, connect your air supply, and start the diagnostics. It's that simple to find leaks. The AutoLine Pro comes with a lifetime warranty. You're covered from all manufacturer defects. They are based in the United States and will replace your unit or parts quickly and easily. What we like. This smoke machine offers high smoke density for quick and accurate leak detection. It's also incredibly easy to use, making the diagnostic process straightforward. The included OEM-approved smoke fluid ensures safety and compatibility with your vehicle's systems. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution with high performance, this is the one for you. What people say. You can be done with diagnosing leaks in mere minutes. Works on almost all sealed systems like intake manifolds, exhausts, etc., and the mineral oil is safe for even oxygen sensors. I found the problem in about 20 seconds. Number 1. Mr. CARTOOL T100 Coolant System Refill Kit. This kit is designed to quickly and efficiently refill your vehicle's coolant system. It helps eliminate air pockets, ensuring optimal cooling performance. With this kit, the process becomes much easier. The T100 kit is incredibly user-friendly. It simplifies the coolant refilling process, saving you time and effort. You'll find it's a valuable tool for maintaining your car's cooling system. This kit ensures a complete and bubble-free refill. It helps prevent overheating and potential engine damage. Using it will keep your engine running smoothly. The Mr. CARTOOL T100 is a reliable solution for coolant system maintenance. It's a must-have for any car owner. Get yours today and experience the difference. Regular coolant system maintenance is crucial for your vehicle's longevity. This kit makes the process simple and effective. It's an investment in your car's future. What we like. This kit is designed for coolant system refills, making the process easy and efficient. It is a great tool for any mechanic. If you are looking for a tool to refill the coolant system, this is the one for you. What people say. The built-in air compressor works like a charm and it puts out enough smoke to find your leak in just a few seconds. Comes with so many attachments. More plugs and adapters than I've seen, with sets costing double this one. It even comes with a bottle to fill the oil. Easy to use adapters, and puts out enough smoke to check for leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.